Miss Linton here. I'm going through statistical questions notes, so make sure to get down all this information to help you on your independent work. So a statistical question always has variability in the responses. And what that means is it can have multiple different responses if you're asking different people. So this means there is a variety of answers. Down here, this is a dot plot. And after you ask a statistical question, one way you can display the data is in a dot plot. So this dot plot here is minutes to eat breakfast. And you can see 6 kids took 0 minutes to eat breakfast, probably meaning they didn't eat breakfast. 1 kid took 12 minutes to eat breakfast. And then you can see all the data in between. All right, so let's go over here to example 1. Which of the following questions are statistical questions, and how do you know? A, how many goals did the Minnesota Wild score in their last game? That one's not statistical because there's only one correct answer to that. Only one answer. How many hours of screen time do students in this class typically get per day? Well, if you asked all the students in our class, we would get a variety of different answers. So this is statistical. Multiple answers. Ooh, I'm having trouble spelling that. So to statistical, B is statistical because there's multiple answers. What is the name of the current governor of Minnesota? Tim Walz. So there's one right answer for that question. So not statistical, only one answer. And then the final question, how tall are the students in the 6th grade at this school? That would be statistical because the answers vary. Some kids are 5 feet, some kids are 6'5", some kids are 4 something. We have a bunch of different heights in the 6th grade at our school. All right, make sure you have those examples down in your notes. And then I'm going to delete this out and scroll down. This is something we're doing in class. We're going to ask how many siblings people in our class have. So I'll ask how many people in our class have 0 siblings or are only children. And in my last class I did this and we had 2 only children. How many people in this class have 1 sibling? I think there were 16 people who had 1 sibling last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if there are 16 dots on 1, that means 16 people have 1 sibling. 2 siblings was close. Let's do 8 for that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 siblings was much less. There were about 4 people with 3 siblings. And then nobody had 4 or 5, but 1 person had 8 and 2 people had 9. So we ended up just changing the dots because we only had so much room on our dot plot to 8 and 9. Normally you would have 4, 5, 6, and 7 with no dots on them and then have 8, 9 further to the right. But that'll work for us for now. All right, so that's how you create a dot plot. I hope this helps. Have a great day.